Hi guys, if you're not in today's lesson, what you've missed is we are starting demographics, and demographics is just the study of population, so patterns on whether things are going up or down. So you can see you've got the little dog there on slide 2 to stick in, and the definition of demographics is on slide 3 for you to write in. So the first topic we're going to look at, the topic title is on slide 4, is birth rates. So you need to know what both birth rates are. So on slide 5, you can see it says birth rates. Birth rates are the number of babies born per 1,000 of the population. And please also add that this rate is going down, because we're going to be looking at explaining why this is going down. Secondly, the infant mortality rate is the number of babies that die before the age of 1, which is also going down. So if I could get you to note down each of those. Okay, on slide 6, you've got 9 things that have happened within society. Can I get you please to look them up and put them in order of when it happened on a timeline? Once you have done that, can I get you to pick 3 and say how that has improved the position of women and identify how it would have an effect on birth rates going down? Okay, on slide number 7, there's an abstract there for you to read the abstract and answer the question. And then if I could get you to pick one of the bullet points near number 4 and say how one of those could be used for evaluation point. If you're stuck on any of those, please let me know. Okay, on slide number 8 then, we've got the idea that there is a decline in infant mortality rates, and we've got a timeline which shows how much infant mortality rates has gone down. So we can see less children are dying before the age of 1. And that's because of 5 main things that I've put on the board. If I could get you to put these where they happened on the timeline and just write a quick sentence explaining what each one is. Okay. Now, we need to say how this affected birth rates. So babies are less likely to die, which has resulted in people having less children. But why? What you can see on the abstract for slide number 9 is that people used to often have babies to replace the babies that had previously died. And to show this, they would even call the new babies the same names as the old babies. So people were constantly having children to maintain that. What you can see underneath, if I could get you to answer that question, and then underneath there is a YouTube clip for you to watch in the notes. If I could get you to watch that clip and say how this could be used to evaluate the fact that infant mortality rates are going down. Okay. Paragraph 3 then is child-centeredness, which we can see on number 11. So if I could get you to put 9 things in order of when they happened, and then pick one cultural and one legal reason to explain why it's now harder to have children. So why we mean harder and more expensive, more time consuming, means that it's much harder to have children. This means that because the cost of having children has gone up and the time it takes to raise a child has gone up, people are having less children. Now, in evaluation, the welfare system can be used to evaluate this because it shows that people can actually make money from having children in terms of benefits. So that can be used as an evaluation point. Then on slide number 13, there are some questions to answer just to check your understanding. If you have any problems, please let me know. Bye.